don't have any concrete fact. They only want to shout back the truth. इनके पास कोई तथ्य नहीं है. ये केवल एक हो हल्ला करके एक विषय को भ्रमित करना चाहते हैं. मैं आज भी कहा, विनम्रता से कहा, आज 10 मार्च है. इसी फाइनेंशियल ईयर की और 20-21 दिन बाकी है. जो चर्चा तमिलनाडु शासन के साथ पिछले दिनों में भारत सरकार की हुई है, जिसमें एक समझौते की रास्ता भी निकला था, उसी रास्ते पे तमिलनाडु सरकार राजी हो जाए. हम उनको अभी भी उनकी पीएम श्री की जो एलोकेशन है उसको देने में हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. ये अन्य जो 1-2 राज्य उसमें से अनिच्छुक है अभी तक राजनीतिक उद्देश्य से, ओनली फॉर पॉलिटिकल रीजन एंड नैरो पॉलिटिक्स, दोज डोंट वांट टू जॉइन पीएम श्री MOU signing program. I appeal to all of them. This is the interest, best interest in the PM Shri. Science education is an important part. Innovation is an important part. Language proficiency of mother tongue is an important part. In Tamil Nadu, only Tamil language will be the medium of instruction in PM Shri schools. What is your opposition? I don't understand. I don't understand this one. ये बार बार हम लोग उनको अनुरोध करते आए हैं. और बाकी रहा भेदभाव की, with utmost politeness, I can cite you few states, those who are non-BJP state. It is Punjab, it was Delhi, at one point of time it was Maharashtra, now it is BJP, at Karnataka. All these are states are implementing PM Shri, also NEP. There are certain views of respective governments about NEP. Let it be. But in a democracy, midway has to navigate. In Tamil Nadu, only due to political harakari, because they have lot of internal problems, their education minister with few senior MP came to see me. They agreed at one point of time, they went back, my information, Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu was agreeing to the agreed proposition, but somehow some politics came up, internal politics came up, they went back. It is unfortunate. This is only I can say. I appeal to all of them, let them come back.
Sir, Congress is saying when it comes to third language, though you have clarified any language can be used as a third language, they are saying it will be.
Rather than I am putting the question to them, why is anybody is preventing Tamil as a teaching learning language of Tamil Nadu? NEP is categorically emphasizing mother tongue will be the medium of instruction up to 8th standard. And in Tamil Nadu or any state, nobody is imposing any language on anybody. Only that, again I can say, this opposition to 3 language formula is a political stand. Anytime. On the floor of the house, I mentioned this one. I am open to discussion anytime. Let they come, let they discuss and let they agree what they have agreed.
Sir, DMK MPs, they are asking that the data as to how many people, students in North India, they are speaking third language.
Many more. My daughter, when she was studying in a boarding school, she studied Marathi as the third language. In the Tamil Nadu, more than nearing 1,000 CBSE affiliated schools are there. In those schools, third language formula is implemented. They are staying in the state of denial. They don't have any concrete ideas and agenda. They have only politics.
Sir, Congress and DMK is asking for empirical data. How many schools have third language?
This is unfortunately, I can appreciate the stand of Tamil Nadu because it is historical. I appreciate that in democracy you have your own ideas also. This is unfortunate. Congress party has gone bankrupt. They don't have any idea. They don't have an innovative thinking process. They are opposing 3 language formula. Who were the party to the constitutional debate in early days? Who was there in 1968? Who was envisioned the Kothari Commission? What was the recommendation of Kothari Commission? Congress party is a reactionary party. They have lost ground. They have lost ideas. They are bankrupt.